So welcome back to Antonio. Ask Antonio. Martha, middle-aged woman. She has her own place. She wants to put up landscape lighting up high around her patio in the backyard. I did a tutorial of landscape lighting in the front beds of your house not too long ago. I don't know if you've seen that, but this is completely different. These hang up top around the patio. So generally you need some sort of pole that you got to mount in the corners of the patio, and then you get a couple of hooks up on the house to latch the wires onto. So they come in strings of 25 to 50 landscape lighting. You know, they have the big outdoor bulbs. They're waterproof, and they just hang around the patio. It gives you some nice mood lighting when you're having parties during the summertime. And then you find an outlet you plug it into. They have a dimming control on some of them. Yeah, they're called, you can get them on Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's has them. Everybody's pretty familiar with them, and they're fairly easy to install. You know, you may have to get up on a ladder or get somebody to help you out, depending upon how well you work on a ladder. But I guess the biggest thing is putting poles in a couple corners. Usually what I do is I get a post hole digger. I just dig down maybe, 18 inches, 2 feet, which, it's deep, but if you want the poles to stay there for a while, I embed them in concrete. So this way I know they're going to be there for a while. So that's something I would suggest. You may need some help with that part, getting somebody to mount the poles for you. And then I generally just put a cap on the top of those poles. You can get fence poles. They have caps with hooks on them, and you just run the lights right around to the house. Hey guys, we're at a client's house where I did these lights. There's a pole right here I mounted. I just kind of fastened it right to the fence post. So I got one there, and then there's another one right there, as you can see. All right, you see those little caps they got on the top? Yeah, they're just fence posts and rails. You could go to Home Depot and get these supplies. Super easy. And the lights just kind of string across here. We don't really have a lot of trees here. And then I mounted it right to a round buckle right at the house there, one there, and then there's one on the other side, but they got this big canopy in the way. So when they have parties and they're sitting outside, it gives off some nice lighting at nighttime. And they have some more lighting around the back here where their canopy is back there. But this way you get an idea. All these lights are waterproof. They come 25, 50 foot, I think like 100 foot long. So just measure what you need. Project. I'm going to do a tutorial on that when I come around to doing something like that. But I'm going to post some photos and videos so you guys can see. But yeah, definitely, Martha. Definitely something you can do yourself. Not a big deal. So anyway, guys, thanks again. Have a great summer. We'll be shoveling snow before you know it. Right, guys? All right, thumbs up, guys. Thanks again. Love you guys.